Today, we're delving into the realm of advanced machinery and what the future holds. Picture this, a robot with superhuman vision, always on the lookout for any activity on your property. It doesn't matter if it's day or night, rain or shine. Our robot is equipped with thermal anomaly scanning, challenging slopes. This marvel can handle it all with ease. Oops, did it take a tumble? No worries. This superhero can recover from any position, ensuring continuous protection. This robot's got balance like a gymnast. This incredible creation never needs a coffee break. It's got advanced auto-charging features, working day and night tirelessly. Plus, with scheduled patrolling, you can set it and forget it, knowing that your property is in good hands. If interested, you can get a link from the description. In 2020, we learned that lack of sleep is a common issue. That's why Japan introduced giraffe nap pods. These pods are showing up in offices and might even appear in cafes soon. The giraffe nap is a quick power nap, lasting about 30 to 60 minutes. You stand up while napping, so it's a short and effective recharge. Now, imagine this, you won't be able to fall into a deep sleep since you're standing up, but developers claim that these short nap sessions are quite effective. In fact, various experiments, like NASA studies, have shown promising results. Pilots who took a 26-minute nap experienced a remarkable 16% improvement in reaction speed and a 34% boost in concentration. So, the giraffe nap pod isn't just a quirky invention, it's backed by science. Ever wish to step out without the burden of a smartphone or a Bluetooth headset when you hit the gym, or just want a private call without the tech overload? Well, introducing Flipboards, the world's first smartwatch with a built-in Bluetooth headset. The seamless design lets you carry both your cellular smartwatch and Bluetooth N7 effortlessly, ensuring you stay connected whether or not your smartphone is with you. Your handset securely resides on your wrist, ready for action whenever you need it. The headset fits snugly on your ear, just attach the bezel, set, and voila! The expert designers and manufacturing teams have harnessed the latest in smartwatch innovation, leveraging ARM Cortex MCU and Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Quality and convenience are non-negotiable, even when you're on the move. Worried about privacy in your conversations? Fret not. The Bluetooth bezel handset charges directly from the watch, eliminating any power concerns. Equipped with the latest sensors, the smartwatch provides health and fitness feedback on the go. And let's not forget style. Once you've experienced this seamless fusion of style and technology, traditional smartwatches will never be the same. Upgrade to Flipboards and make your life better. Introducing GelSight, another groundbreaking device from the realm of space tech. This tool isn't your ordinary gadget, it's a wizard at crafting 3D surfaces, bringing unpredictability to the forefront of space exploration. What sets GelSight apart are its exceptional features, tailored especially for space endeavors. This marvel conjures up high-resolution, non-destructive 3D images with the aid of breakthrough digital touch technology. The result? An accurate 3D model that proves invaluable in the aerospace industry. One of GelSight's notable advantages is its compact design, making it not only powerful but also convenient for use on production and assembly lines. Picture this, the GelSight mobile model easily fits in the palm of your hand.